Hello friends, welcome to Nalini Ki Rasoi. Today I am going to make banana pancake. Please don't forget to click the subscribe and bell icon button so that you get instant notification of all my upcoming and new recipes. Let's get started and look at the ingredients first. 2 mashed bananas, 100 grams wheat flour, 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder, 2 eggs, 1 bowl milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, pinch of salt and oil. First in a bowl we'll put wheat flour, all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, pinch of salt and mix well. Next in another bowl we'll put eggs, vanilla essence, milk, mashed bananas, 1 teaspoon of oil and beat well. Now mix with this prepared dry mixture and add 1 spoon at a time and simultaneously mix it. The consistency of the batter should be thick and pouring. This batter is ready to make pancake. Now grease the pan with oil and put 1 spoon of batter on it and cook it on a medium flame until bubbles come on it. Once the bubbles come, we'll flip and change the side and cook other side until golden brown. This pancake is ready. Now we'll remove it. Prepare all the pancakes like this. All pancakes are ready to serve. You can have pancakes with honey or jam. If you have liked my recipe and if you have not already subscribed, don't forget to click the subscribe button on this side, like it and share it with your friends and relatives. The link of my other recipes are displayed on this side for you to click and see. I'll be back soon with many more interesting recipes. Till then, take very good care of yourself and your family. Thank you for watching Nalini Ki Rasoi.